Okay. Tiny breadboard, tiny computer. When you attach the tiny computer to the tiny breadboard, do not try to put it all in one side. Thank God these are not actually wide enough, but why would you not want to do that anyway?
It would create a loop and probably fry itself.
Yeah, so in these breadboards, right, the horizontal bits are all connected. And you wouldn't want to bridge all the pins on the right-hand side of your Arduino to all the pins on the left-hand side, because probably there are things across from each other that shouldn't be bridged. Like, for instance, there's at least a 5-volt across from a ground, which would cause things to be confusing at the very least, right? Because that would close a circuit. There would be pixies chasing in a loop. So when you're pushing this in, I would probably just go all the way to one end of it, and it looks like you're going to have to do 2 slots open on one side and 3 open on the other, and then just give this thing a good firm shove. Now, I'm probably not going to take this off of here. If you do take this off of here, you'll have to be a little careful about pulling it off. Please don't pry it off with anything resembling a screwdriver. Okay? If you do choose to pry it off, use your little fingers. I would just leave it on. So this, for me, is the way this thing is, and that's the way it's going to ride in my pocket or my backpack or whatever. Cool? If you're transporting this, these little header pins, you don't really want to snap them off, right? I would take this little guy and do pocket, right? And then try not to bend this thing, because if you bend those header pins off, then I don't know what'll happen. Cool? Questions, Steels? Okay.